Hello everyone, my name is William Labanz and I'm the real estate broker for SaleWinds Realty. Today I'm going to go over how to add a domain to your website box. One of the offerings that we provide to our agents is an IDX website, and with that IDX website you need to point your own domain to that website. It sounds very difficult, very complex, but I'm going to take you step by step through it today and show you it's a relatively simple and easy process. First thing you need to do is log into your website box. You also need to head over to your preferred domain registrar and purchase a domain. Most popular one, of course, is GoDaddy. I prefer GoDaddy as well. They're very, very easy to work with. And if you don't have one that you already use, GoDaddy is probably going to be the easiest one for you. So, log into your website box like I am here, and you'll see a Domains tab. Select that. When you land on this page here, if you don't already have a domain registered, you want to go ahead and select Add Domain. And in this case, what I like to do is I don't like to register my domains with WebsiteBox. I like to have a lot more control over it, so I leave it at GoDaddy.com, and then we just access it per se. So to do that, these two tabs on the top here, select Add to DNS. Then you'll need to add in the domain name that you'd purchased, the purchased one that you from GoDaddy. So in our case, that is www.salewindsrealtyagents.com, and the .com, whatever your extension is, will be right over here. Select search. What this is going to do is it's going to provide us with the name servers. So right here, you want to highlight this section of it, not the equals and the NS1. Just take this section here, select copy, and I'm then going to open up my GoDaddy account, which is right here. Search for your domain that you have, and in our case, the domain is SaleWinds Realty Agents, like I'd mentioned. There it is. When this opens up, this gives us the settings of the domain. I want to scroll down and select on Manage DNS. Okay, now when we're here, there's a lot of technical things, but the main thing that you want to look for is what's called the name servers. Select Change. This is going to give us two options, either default or custom. In our case, we want custom. And that the NS records that we copied from before, we want to paste those right there. There's the first one, and the second one is the exact same except for a 1. It's actually a 2. And if you were to go back to that page, you'd see that it's ns1 websitebox.com, then ns2.websitebox.com. Select Save, and that is it. The final step really would just be going back over to WebsiteBox, and on WebsiteBox, just ensuring that you have this all here and completing this process by hitting Submit. So you kind of have to do it in that little bit of the back and forth there, where you select the Add Domain like we did before, type in your domain name, search, copy the NS records, and go over to GoDaddy, paste in those NS records. There's the 2 of them. Select Apply, and then come on back over here and hit Submit. By doing it in that order, it'll ensure that everything is done properly. If you do it out of order, it'll probably still work as well, but that's still just a good habit to be in if you ever need to add any other NS records. Now, after you've gone ahead and you've submitted that, and you submitted it on both sides, don't expect it to work immediately. These NS records do take up to 24 hours for them to save. However, most likely they're probably up and running in the next 15 to 20 minutes. But if something were to happen or there's an overload with the system, it could take up to 24 hours. And that's it. That's all you need to do. When you have your website, you can head back over there, and I'll set up another video on how to upload and edit your website. But if you have any questions, feel free to like, comment below, or reach out to us directly. Thanks again. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.